Often, we pray in times of difficulty. We pray for help. And we pray for happiness. The Heartfulness prayer operates at a different level altogether. One where we do not entreat any change. Instead, we offer 3 simple statements that define our human condition. While offering this prayer, we honor the present moment in our journey, as well as acknowledging that the journey must continue. The Heartfulness prayer is done at bedtime for 10 to 15 minutes to help us connect with our source. This is referred to as Master. It is also done for a few minutes before meditating in the morning as a way of resetting that connection. By beginning and ending the day this way, a connection is established with the Source throughout the day and night. Sit in a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and relax. With a feeling of humility and love, silently and slowly let these words resonate within the space in your heart. O Master, Thou art the real goal of human life. We are yet but slaves of wishes, putting bar to our advancement. Thou art the only God and power to bring us up to that stage. Meditate for 10 to 15 minutes over the true sense of the words and try to get lost in them. You can repeat them a couple of times. O Master, Thou art the real goal of human life. We are yet but slaves of wishes, putting bar to our advancement. Thou art the only God and power to bring us up to that stage. Allow yourself to melt into this prayerful feeling.